Say hey. Hi girly pops.
Hi. Hello. 1 mile's first international trip.
Actually, you're joining our second international trip.
Damn.
Darcy and I are the pros.
Oh yeah, LA.
We've done LA. Yeah.
Been there, done that.
We've arrived at our cottage. We're shooting our winter collection here with Christina. The girls have flown in this morning. I flew in from Auckland. We're staying in, what is it called again? Arrowtown. Basically, we have 3 days here. We're doing 1 day on the mountain, like on Cadrona, 1 day around this sort of cottage. Because look, are you joking? Queenstown is one of the most beautiful places I've ever seen in my whole life, and you could shoot just literally anywhere. Actually not the biggest collection ever, but like our winter collections are our favorite, so we wanted to just create something really fun and beautiful. It's so cute. So day one shoot, just filmed Little Get Ready With Me. The girls have been shooting around the lodge. Now we're gonna go to, where are we going? Arrowtown?
No, we're going to Jaques Point.
Jaques Point to shoot the rest. Got my Canada Goose on. Thank God it's saving me. Look at the girls.
Driver. I literally felt like April. 10 a.m.
Darcy's the CEO. She runs the OTB. I know.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So we can using your contingency budget. So I'm like, girls, contingency.
Nah, we've booked.
Nah.
Nah.
Let's show you some scenery.
This is our home, our little farm, and our little sheep. Oh no, the sheep is gone.
Look at this view.
I reckon we can just pull out this suitcase.
Insane. Every time Sam does this, I just walk right in the middle.
Look at the beautiful location.
It's pretty hard to get a bad shot here, isn't it? But it's good. And then we've got the Milan coming in grey. So cute. We're going to Cadrona now for part 2. Part 2 of the shoot on the snow. The conditions are spectacular. We're shooting all of the new Elliot colours. So we've got the blue, yellow and grey restocking. We're coming out with red and pink. We've got scarves launching with all the Elliots. Look at that, look, the sun's shining on the mountains. Alright, we're at the top of the mountain. Everyone's skiing. We've just found a spot for our suitcases and the girls have walked up all the way over this mountain. I just shot these truckies. Take your hands out of the gloves for like 1 minute and your fingers are ice. Go girls. Everyone is frozen. Poor Christina. Frozen. We are at the cabin now. We've all had showers. We've redone our glam. The girls are still going. Mick's gonna make an April. Oh! Thanks. Great. Did you not eat it?
Sean gave us a lift home.
This is the state. It's actually pretty organised. The girls have done well. We've got golden hour. These are the last couple of shots.
Oh my God.
Exhausted.
I actually feel like we've done
500
days in one. Oh my God, yeah, how we shot there last week, it was yesterday.
It was yes.
Oh, at least you'll like, he had his own golf cart.
Hello. I thought I would show you guys a quick update of the house. I've got my builders coming tomorrow to build the closet and I'm gonna finally be able to put all my clothes away, and then I've got all the furniture arriving downstairs. So let's have a look. So in this hallway here, I've just been storing all the boxes that are my clothes, shoes, bags and everything. Here, this is nothing at the moment. I'm building shoe cupboard there, little desk there, a L-shaped cupboard along here, and then a cupboard along here. So this is the before. Our James Lane delivery coming today, which will be for this front room and for the dining and lounge room. So this is it before. Empty. Got a couple of boxes already. That's just storage right now. That's going to be Jessica's room and this will be closed. This is the before. I'm going to get a buffet there. And here's the before of the dining and the lounge. So you can see I'm gonna have couch here, dining there, and the buffet. Oh, here they are. This looks beautiful. So it's all from James Lane. That's so nice. far. This is for the bedside table. These two here, we're just unboxing decor, so I'll like style it all at the end. Just twist it in. Buffet. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with that. That is so cute.
So good.
Now we're doing the couch. So this is the couch and it comes without the covers, so we've just got to put the covers on. And this is the dining table with the chairs from James Lane. That is the most magical coffee table. So heavy because it's like actual stone. Beautiful. It's beautiful. Goes perfectly with the tones because that's all so beautiful and neutral. I think it looks really nice there. Goes with the floors, goes with the table. Thank you. Alright, the closets.
Not a problem.
Looks good. Perfect little desk. Guys, look at the sun coming through. Like two things that get tucked in there and then you pull it down and you velcro it to the bottom. You tuck these in and then you reach in and this comes through, so it keeps it super tight. So this is the color that we went with. Oh my god, it's so soft, guys. Is when you connect them. I sound like a chiropractor. Okay, tell me if that looks crazy, but I've popped this James Lane piece with my pot plant on top. A James Lane lamp there, which I might move into the office and change for that lamp there. So this is it. Oh my god, it looks amazing. So that's the dining area, which we can move a little more this way, but I think it's enough space. The lounge, which looks amazing. The bar stools are coming soon. I've kind of tucked it half behind my wine rack, so I feel like that looks really nice. It's more on display. I popped those two either side of the TV, which I might move. I'm not sure about that yet. But I like that the coffee table and the painting match. It looks so nice. Still shuffling, so don't judge. It looks a bit squished. But I'm about to put down a rug. A really risky colorway. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Okay.
Have they gone?
Yeah, they've gone. I reckon this looks pretty cool. It's a mess, so I'll show you guys properly after, but it's the next day. We're going to work on this closet. I don't know where to start. Got my... I'm gonna start by just cleaning out the drawers because there's just dust. I'm going to start with shoes because I fear that's easy. And do runners down the bottom. Big feet fit it perfectly. To these. This is what we're working with so far. I know I have another box somewhere. So I'm thinking because this corner is kind of tight, tucked in here, I'm going to do handbags in there. Handbags. Might just do like colours down the bottom and then neutrals and most used up the top. Am I sweet squishing things in here? Larger bags up there. Up here. This one's so cute. It's Jackie's bag. Jackie Alexander. See, in the move, she sent this to me when I was moving and there's so many things that I need to unpack. Okay, are we loving that fringe is back in? Because this is my Chloe. I love that fringe is back in. Oh my god, it's a little bit dusty. Okay, so I did the basics over there and then I'm gonna do beach bags on this side. I need to get some like bag storage or like do something to hang them, I think. It looks a bit weird. Do I need like separators? Scarves. Wait, this is all scarves. What the hell? Swim. This is sarongs and this is activewear. I'm gonna do undies, bras. I've got pajamas, and then this will be comfy clothes that like feel like pajamas but they're not, you know what I mean, like little booty shorts and cute rib sets and things. Tracksuits over here, hoodies and jumpers, and then knit jumpers and then knit pants. Fits perfectly, so chunky knits, cardigans and light knits, and scarves and pants, and they're all 1 mile because we do the best knits on earth. I'm gonna make this section pants. I've got this little hook here. I'm just gonna hook my belts onto. Okay, now I'm hanging. These are like my more dressy tops. Dressy tops above all the other tops, and I'll do shirts on that side. We're doing jackets, long maxi dresses and short dresses, long trench jackets in that corner. So I did denim, casual, leather and blazers. Light on. Now we're doing trenches. How beautiful is this trench from the waiting room? Okay, we've cleared most of the boxes. That's linen, so I'm gonna get like a hallway buffet here to put my linen and towels in. But it's coming together, so I've got a couple of boxes left, but I haven't got any hangers left. So that will do for now. Good effort, team. I also popped my sunglasses in here, and I'm gonna make this one jewelry. It's my birthday. I'm just quickly getting ready because I'm gonna go get my hair done. So I'm getting ready in the new closet. I'm just gonna do a light beat because I'm gonna get ready again later before everyone comes for a little barbecue. My family is all away, so I'm just having a couple of friends, the girls from work over, having a barbecue on a cheese board. The sun's shining, it's cold obviously, but it's kind of like a housewarming mixed with a birthday party. It's not really a party. I've literally invited like a couple of people just because I texted everyone literally yesterday. I didn't know where I would be at with unpacking the house and the furniture, and I didn't want to invite people over if it was still a chaos. I'll redo my makeup later, but I'm going to Q Color for just a little blow wave. Like once I figure out the lighting and the doors are put on the closet, I feel like it's gonna look nice and clean. Yeah, this is what I'm gonna wear. This cute dress. We're just setting up downstairs. We're doing a barbecue cheese board. Dishwasher. Building his barbecue, boys and their toys. Two? You like your new couch, don't you? Do you like your new couch? Beautiful balloons. I got so many beautiful presents. Photo frames. So blessed. Look at these flowers. Incredible. He's got taste, he's got style. This is the fit. So cute. Yeah. 2 dips. This one is the Heavenly Nachos Trio. Yeah. Smoked trout dip. Look how cute this is. Holly's. We're on our way to work. I'm picking Mick up, and then we're driving to the Central Coast because we're doing a fun taste testing this morning. Fun collaboration with an alcohol brand. They're relatively new, but we thought it would be really fun to have like a fun summer flavor and do like a fun 1 mile party this summer. So what about 6 months, well just less than 6 months now, and we're gonna go to the lab. Could be the summer drink. Birthday weekend was fun. Until I like sort of start getting the final pieces in and the closet's finished and things, I'll show you guys in. But it's been so much fun. The weekend was fun. My birthday was fun. House swap / housewarming. And now we're just into a fresh work week before we go to Adelaide this weekend.